I made a huge mess for you guys. Everything that I have in my activewear and loungewear capsule wardrobe, I have right here next to me so I can show you every single piece. This is everything that I have for the entire year and I'm really proud of my collection. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna be talking about today. So the first three items that I'm gonna show you, I wear only inside. I never go outside in them. And the first one is actually a bathrobe, which I think it's a staple in everyone's home. I used to have two bathrobes. One was more thinner for summer months, but I rarely wore it, so I decluttered it. And the other one is this a bit thicker and a bit warmer. And yeah, I just wear it all the time. I enjoy it. I love that it's black because I don't have to worry about staining it. So this is just a really good staple for me. And then the other two pieces that I have are actually silk slips. So because I don't wear pajamas, I don't want to flash everyone. So this is something that I put on to just, you know, I can walk around the house and I don't feel super exposed. This is the black one, and then I have the same one in navy. So again, dark colors, so I don't have to worry about staining them. So these are my items that I only wear inside, and now everything else I wear inside, outside, you know, pretty much everywhere. Now the next style that I want to talk about are all of my tops that I have in my activewear and loungewear. First thing that I absolutely love is this little top. It's just a normal cotton bralette, and I love this design so much. So I have 6 different colors. So this one I have in gray, then I have a black one, then I have, this is actually the first one that I got because I love the color so much. So this is a neon orange, pink, or I don't know, really cool color. So this is the third one. Then I have a soft pink color, an orange color, and also a maroon red or something like that, because I'm that kind of a person. If I love something, I love it, I commit to it. So I really enjoy this model, how it looks on me, and I just enjoy having loads of different colors. So this is something that I wear for lounging around the house, when I go for a walk, when I'm doing yoga. They're really comfortable, but they also provide me with a little bit of support. So I love these bralettes. But then I also have 2 more heavy-duty sport exercise bras because, you know, these are just kind of medium support. This one is from Nike, and it's like, I love the colors again, and the back is just so stunning because it's crossed. So this is the one bra that I have, and the second one again from Nike. I think they have really cool bras, and it's just this one. It's so hard to show you because, you know, at the front it's kind of simple, but at the back it's a really cool design. So yeah, basically I have 6 bralettes, and then I have 2 heavy-duty sports bras. And now I can show you all of my tops. So you will see a lot of black color because, like I said, I really like to be carefree in my items. So this is the first black top. Again, I'm using it for lounging around the house, training, anything like that. It's from Under Armour, and it's cool because it has that kind of an open back, if you can see. So if I wear like my bras underneath, they are shown. So I really enjoy that. So that's just one item that I have. Then the second thing that I have, it's again just a classic black sport kind of top. This one, again, it's not open, but it has this kind of like, I don't know how this is called, but you see little dots. You can see the skin and again the bra if you want to. So that's the second black top. Then I have just a normal black t-shirt. This one I had in my main capsule, but I really wasn't reaching for it, so I decided to repurpose it, and now I wear it all the time. A lot of the times I make a knot in the front, so it's kind of a bit wonky at the bottom, but I love it. It's just a cotton t-shirt from Intimissimi, and I wear it a lot. Then also another item that I have from Intimissimi is this little shirt. It's kind of, you can tie it at the front, so it kind of accentuates the waist, and I really like it. It's just super cool and super nice, and I wear it all the time. And then another thing from Intimissimi, I like to shop there, obviously, is this little number. This one is not as huggier fitting, but it's for summer, that's kind of okay. It has this really cool design at the back. Again, the colors from previous tops, you know, they're shown through. So this is nice, and I really enjoy it. Again, it's black, so it's versatile. And then I have the last black top that I have. This one I had in my main capsule as well. Often if I notice that I'm not wearing something very often, I just repurpose it and I see if I maybe enjoy it in another capsule wardrobe more. But this one I bought for summer months, and I wore it, but I just felt like it was sitting in my storage for the rest of the year, so I just brought it in my sports capsule wardrobe, and now I wear it all the time, especially in summer. It's very cropped, so if I wear my high-waisted leggings or high-waisted shorts, it looks pretty cool when you have that kind of a mid, I don't know, you show your mid area, and I just feel really young and cool and yeah, sporty wearing this. So this is another top. And then the last two tops that I have are colorful. This one is from Nike, and I love the color because it's just kind of like pastel orange. It has this little detail where you can see a little bit of the skin, so I enjoyed this very much. And the last item is actually from Ted Baker. I think you kind of see I'm a sucker for kind of nice little designs and cutouts or whatever you call them, because this one, I really enjoyed the cutout as well on the back. I really enjoy this one because it actually has like a bra already inside of it. I can also go without a bra, so it gives me a little bit of support. Again, for yoga, for walking, this is just absolutely perfect. The color, it's pink, and I like the design. So these are all of my tops, and now I can show you all of my jumpers and hoodies and everything like that. So now the next pile is all of my hoodies and all of my jumpers, and yeah, I can show you the first one. And this one is something that I stole from my husband. The reason why I have so many dark clothes in my activewear and loungewear capsule is because I love eating pumpkin seed oil with my salads. I eat salad pretty much every day because I just love it so much. So I'm always careful to not get that oil on my shirt because it's really dark and it's very, very hard to get rid of. I think almost impossible. So that's why I just have darker clothes, and that kind of solves that problem for me. So this one is just kind of something that is really oversized and really comfy, and I just love lounging around in the house or going for a walk in this one. I don't necessarily train in this one, but I still wear it all the time and I enjoy it, so thank you, husband. Then the second thing, oh, I have to turn this around. So this one is my pink Adidas. We say Adidas, so I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Adidas. And yeah, it's just a classic jumper that I really enjoy. It has some pockets and I wear it all the time. Again, super comfortable. I love the color, and it's just so me. So this one I wear all the time and I love. Then the third thing, again, this was actually, my husband got it, but he wasn't wearing it, so he gave it to me. So I think it's a male jumper again, but it's again the classic Adidas black jumper. This one doesn't have any pockets, which is a bit annoying sometimes, but very useful. This one is very, very oversized, but also very warm for walking, being around the house. You know, I still enjoy it and wear it a ton. The third Adidas sweatshirt is this one, and this is just a more recent edition because I love the color, and yeah, I fell in love with it, especially because it has this little zipper right here. So you can put your stuff inside of here, so it's much more secure than just normal pockets at the sides. And yeah, I wear this one all the time. I feel so pretty and young, and I don't know, I enjoy it very much. And then I have black zip up jumper from Lotto, and it's very figure hugging and I enjoy it very much. For training it's perfect. It also has this little thing, you know, for your little finger, and I enjoy this one very much. This one is something, it's from Under Armour, and this is probably the one that I don't really love as much, but I still wear it because it's warm. It's more meant like a thermal basics. I was doing some sorts of exercise for a short amount of time, so I bought this one for that reason, but now that I stopped doing that, it's kind of not as useful anymore. I would prefer actually the same model in a black color. I still use it a ton, so it's still in my capsule wardrobe. It's very figure hugging. Again, it has space for the finger, which, you know, I don't know, it just seems so cool. I feel so sporty with that finger looking outside. So yeah, that's the another top. And then the last one is something that I love wearing during summer or spring or fall, and it's a cropped hoodie from Nike in soft pink. I just enjoy it so much, like showing that middle area. I don't know, it's so cool and fresh and young. So yes, these are all of my hoodies. I have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh!
I forgot about this one. I was like, yeah, I thought I had 8. So this one is the 8th one. As you can see, I think it's from Nike. Yeah, it's from Nike, and again, it's zip-up version, and I just enjoy it so much. It's just a color that I absolutely love. So now I can show you all of my bottoms. So yeah, let me take that away. So yeah, all of my bottoms is just one color because it's so versatile. But I'm gonna show you every single piece. I'm gonna start with shorts. So the first pair that I have is this one from Lotto. Very useful during summer months because it's so hot. So yeah, I just enjoy wearing shorts like this. So this is the first pair that I have. This one is a bit more kind of, it's not fitted or figure hugging or anything like that. So it's just a nice little fit. So this is the second pair that I have. It's from Nike and they're really figure hugging and really short, so I don't wear them everywhere. You know, I always think about if it's appropriate to wear such short shorts, but I love them so much and they are so useful during the summer months, and I wear them all the time because other leggings are just a nightmare during summer months. So yeah, this is the second pair. I was actually happy with just having two, but my sister decluttered another pair and I was like, yeah, sign me in. And they're proven very useful because I wore them a ton already. So this is a third pair, and these are again very figure hugging but a bit longer, and I think she said they're from Primark. I think I enjoy them, and they also have this little pocket at the back, something like that. So those are all my three summer shorts. And now I can show you the only pair of sweatpants that I have. It's this one. It's from Adidas. It's actually a small from male section because I was looking for something and didn't have anything in women's section. This is something that I wear only during winter months, and I usually wear those over my leggings underneath. So I have 2 layers of warmth. They're a bit old and a bit washed out, but I still wear them a ton. And if I need, you know, any kind of pants to do dirty work around the house or anything like that, these are my pair that I don't really care that much if they get damaged. This is just my, you know, go wild kind of pants. And then I have, I think, 5 long leggings. Let me show you. So yeah, I have 5 pair of long leggings. The first one is, this one is a pair from Intimissimi. This one is the only one that it's kind of so see-through that I cannot wear outside, but they're really comfortable for lounging around the house, and I really enjoy them. So this is the first pair. And then the second one is from a brand called Dea. I just wear them. They're kind of falling apart a little bit. Maybe I will upgrade them, I don't know. But yeah, they're still usable, so I'm just gonna wear them until they fall apart basically. But this is just a normal long pair, but with a bit of a sporty design, so I cannot wear it casually. Then I have again from Dea. This pair I had like for 5 or 6 years, really long time, but they're actually flared at the bottom, so I just enjoy wearing this with kind of sneakers. It just looks so cool and they're perfect for a walk. I just enjoy them a lot. So this is the second pair, a little bit washed out but still very nice. And then the last 2 pairs are both from Nike. The one I have one today, it's just, this one is just a normal black long leggings that are just one color. I can wear them with my casual items, with a denim jacket, anything like that, Converse sneakers, something like that. So I really enjoy this pair. And the other one, it's more of a sporty style, so I cannot necessarily wear it casually, but I love, you know, kind of different designs because everything is black, the colors are all black. I want to have some kind of special designs to, you know, spice things up. So this one has little dots that are showing through. I can show you some holes are extended because my dog, you know, he jumps on me and with his little claws he extends them, but they are still kind of fine and good. So these are all long leggings. And then I have just 2 more pairs of a cropped legging, both from Nike. This one is just a classic high-waisted black cropped leggings, really figure hugging, and I love them. I feel really fit wearing those. And the last pair is again with some kind of a design. So this one has, at the side, it has this little kind of pocket. I actually store my phone or keys or something inside, so it's really nice. I just wear this a lot, all the time. Basically all of my stuff I wear all the time. So I have 3 pairs of shorts, I have 1 sweatpants, I have 5 long leggings, and then I have 2 crop leggings. So this is this style right here. So now basically all that I have left is my outerwear, and for that I have a really old but very nice winter puffer jacket. I had this one for such a long amount of time. I don't know, 10 years, 11, I don't know, really long amount of time. It's from Dea. I love the color because it's so bright. I'm wearing this for walks and taking my dog out, anything like that. So this is a must that I keep in my hallway downstairs. And then I have 2 pairs of trainers. The first one is more of a nice design, a nice style. It's from Geox, I think, but they're just really nice and versatile style. They're more kind of a casual pair, but then I have a more sporty pair. So this pair is from Adidas, and it's very comfortable. I have a bit of a wider feet, so finding trainers I have to be extra careful, so they really provide me nice support and they don't really squeeze my feet too much. So I really enjoy this. They're kind of a speed boost or something, I don't know. They're just really comfortable and nice for long walks, going around nature, anything like that. So yeah, those are my 2 trainers. So this is my entire collection. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, let me know in the comments down below and give this a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.